So I don't know if you'd noticed, but I haven't been hauling a lot on my channel in the last couple months, and I still can't tell you why, and it sucks, but it's still a thing, and it's a little bit of that kind of itch that I really want to scratch, but I haven't been able to. However, I have bought things here and there in the last month, a little bit over a month, and I've just kind of thought, why don't I just put it all into a collective haul? Do we miss the days of collective hauls on YouTube? You know, way back when, where people would actually like buy stuff over the course of months and then haul it instead of just like going on shopping sprees all the time, because I'm more used to the shopping spree type. But this is just a collective haul. I have mostly drugstore, like 90% drugstore. In fact, let's just start with Sephora, because literally I have not bought one thing from Sephora in months. And I did go in though, and I redeemed points. I redeemed 400 points, and I got 4 of these Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve face creams. I'm using one right now, it's in my bathroom, and I just needed moisturizer, and I was like, well, why not get it for free? Because that's just about all I can do right now. So first I'm going to start off with something that was so sweet and so unexpected and so lovely. My friend at work, Nicole, she watches my channel, so hi Nicole if you're watching this, and she's heard me talk about the Quo sponges that came out at Christmas time that I loved and that were limited edition, that they don't carry all year round, and I have lamented the fact that I haven't been able to get them. And one day she came back from her lunch break and literally just put these down in front of me and was like, here you go. And I was like, oh my God, like I freaked out. And it was not just that she remembered or that she got the right ones, but it was just like the kindness, and it was the sweetest thing ever, and I'm so grateful to have a friend like her. So she did get me, it's actually a 5-pack, but I've been using one of them, of the little mini Quo sponges, and these guys are so good. If you can ever get your hands on these little mini ones, they are soft, they are like perfect size and shape for under your eye, but they're just so smooth, and I really, really love them. So I'm so happy to have those, because I kind of made my way through all the other ones already. They're all gone, the ones that I had from Christmas. I had a repurchase, which was the Physicians Formula Eye Booster pen. I've been using this. This is actually what I'm wearing today. It's my favorite eyeliner pen. It's so good. It's just as good as any high-end one that I've tried, and I've tried many. So I know for which I say. I don't know if that's even a saying. I'm just saying it. Anyways, I'm a little bit high right now. Not actually high, but I have that like adrenaline from filming another video, and I'm a little bit bouncy. Okay, also I have here the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara. You guys are gonna think I'm actually high because I'm so weird right now. I actually talked about this in my Bought It Forgot It, because I am using this month just kind of as a throwback. Like, I used to use this way back when, because Jaclyn Hill used to talk about it, and I just saw it in the drugstore and I was like, hey, it's been a long time. I want to test that out again and, you know, see, is it really actually good? Is it one of those products that is better than anything that could be hyped up now? So I am going to be testing that out in my Bought It Forgot It series. I was super excited about that. I have a couple other things here. Okay, what is happening here? This is loose. WTF, this is loose. Okay, it's still usable. I did get it on clearance for $2, so I can't complain too much. This is the NYX No Filter Finishing Powder in the shade Light Beige. Yeah, this was just at the clearance aisle in Shoppers, and it was $2. I've always wanted to try it, so I'm so glad. I don't know if they're discontinuing it or what, but I'm so glad I can actually try it at a $2 price tag. Also, I picked up 2 blushes from Rimmel. This I bought a few weeks ago, and this I just bought a few days ago. I don't know, there was just something calling to me about these, but I swatched this actually in my Shop My Stash video to see if I wanted to use it, and I think it's going to be much more of a winter or spring blush because it's very light. It's lighter than I really thought it would be when I bought it, so I don't know, like, you know, like look at the pan and there's like nothing on my hand, so I don't know, that's a little bit of a letdown. But this looked so beautiful. These were on sale the other day, and I've never bought one of these before. This is one of the Rimmel blush palettes. They have the highlighting palettes. They're the Kate Moss branded stuff, and this just looked like, look at this, it looks so pretty. These colors, they all I think have shimmer in them, some more than others, but this middle shade especially is really enticing to me. Actually, no, that other one on the bottom looks like it's matte. Yeah, it is. So that's nice to get three different kinds. Oh yeah, that middle one. Oh, it's just as nice as I hoped it would be. And then it's nice to get like a really deep plummy shade for winter. Look at that one. I'm so excited to try that. It looks so pretty. Yeah, I've always passed these by and it was just on sale. So I was like, yes, let's try it. Also, for my review series, Does It Work on Oily Skin, that I've been doing lots of like foundation and primer reviews, that kind of thing. I haven't retried this. So this is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. It's a comfort matte. Now, I believe this is what has replaced the old Outlast 3-in-1, which I never liked. And I don't know if they have redone the formula or if they have just repackaged, because I'm sure you know CoverGirl has rebranded their whole line, and that's why it looks, you know, the packaging looks different. But I don't know if what's inside is actually different. I hope it is different because I didn't like the other one, but the actual like container is identical. Anyway, I got the shade L30 and we'll do an all day wear test on this. Another thing that I actually really needed was eye cream. I ran out and I was just kind of using regular moisturizer for a little bit there. This is the Bioderma Sensi Bio eye gel. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got a sample of this a while back and I liked it. And then when I saw it in Shoppers, I was like, oh, it's a little bit cheaper than some of the high-end stuff, but I remember it being good. And also they had like, Bioderma often has coupons. So I only paid $20 for that. It's normally $25, I think. So I have been using it. I think it's been good definitely as a daytime eye cream. Like it definitely gives me some moisture. So I don't know if it's, like it's not really the best for like the anti-aging stuff at night, but it's good enough for the day, that's for sure. I also needed to get a new heat protectant, like after shower type hair thingamabobber. I've been using the Bumble and Bumble Invisible Oil, no, Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Primer for years now, and I thought I'd give a Drugstore one a try. This one's from L'Oreal. It's the Total Repair 5 Protein Recharge Leave-In for Extremely Damaged Hair. And it says right on it, 232 degrees Celsius heat protection. So that's really essentially what I use the Bumble and Bumble one for, because, you know, I usually blow dry and I just did blow dry today, and that's with this in, and I feel like it's just as soft as with the Bumble and Bumble. It doesn't have that amazing scent, but it still smells pretty good, and so I think it'll be fine. Like I think it'll be a fine replacement, and it's not so expensive. Also, when I was at Shoppers, they had this thing where, I can't remember, it was when I bought the eye cream. If you spent like a certain amount, you got a free sample. So this is the Reversa Anti-Wrinkle Cream SPF 30. So it looks like it's just like an all over face moisturizer, but it has that SPF in it. So I'm gonna try that. Okay, it's fall at Bath & Body Works, and we all know what that means. I went there twice. I went there last week and I went back this week. You guys, first of all, when I walked in, I saw this and I was like, what is that? Bonfire Bash. And it says right on it, inspired by toasted marshmallows, crackling campfires, and cozy flannels. What does that remind you of? And I sprayed it and I was like, oh yeah, it's marshmallow fireside in a fragrance, basically. So, and I even said that to the girl. I was like, is this just like marshmallow fireside but a fragrance? And she's like, yeah, it is. And I was like, oh my God. And she was like, and I was like, and she was like, and I was like, and she was like, and I was like, you get it? Okay, anyways, I was just really excited because you know how much I love my marshmallow fireside. So I got the fragrance spray and then I got the shower gel. And let me tell you, I have never in my life been complimented more on how I smell than every time I wear this. Somebody, men, women, go, oh my, what are you wearing? What is that scent? You smell so good. Like, it's happened probably 5 times, and I've only owned this for like a week and a half. So I've been dousing myself in it, and I am pretty sure I'm gonna go back and get another bottle. Actually, when I bought these were on sale, probably because it was like the first or second day that they launched, and so they were only $6 a piece, which is a really good price for these. So I'm really excited to start using the shower gel too. Yeah, it smells identical. And then speaking of marshmallow fireside, I was gonna wait, but you know when you wait on things, they just go away. And so I went back 2 days ago. There were literally on the entire like new display of all the new 3-wick candles, there were like 4 marshmallow firesides left. So I got 2 of them because it was buy one get one free, and it's a pretty good deal, I think, for Bath and Body Works. I didn't have one of their coupons, but I still think it was worth it. This is literally my favorite smell, my favorite scent of all time. It's so good. It's just that mix of like fire and marshmallow. Like it's so simple, but I love it. This packaging, guys, look. Like, it's so cute this year and pretty. Usually they will do a couple different versions. So if you don't like this one, maybe you'll like whatever the next version is. But then again, like I said, sometimes they sell out and they never come back, and then you're like, I didn't get my marshmallow fireside fix this year. What am I to do? And that is actually the second one right there that I'm burning in the back because it's so good. Okay, just today I was in Winners and I was looking at the hair stuff. I saw this. This is the Chi Tea Tree Oil Shampoo. It's not even for me. It's for my husband. He loves tea tree oil shampoo. It was $9.99. I thought that was a good enough deal, especially for this size, because in Shoppers, the smaller one, like this, usually is that price. So I thought we would give this one a shot. It smells identical if you've ever used tea tree oil. Some people like to use it for shampoo. Okay, I thought I would show you guys these. These are from my work. These are from American Eagle. These came in the other day. They're adorable. So it's a 3-pack of Halloween earrings. There's serpents, there's spiders, and then there's little skulls. And I've already worn these. I think they're so cute. I actually think, looking at these, that you can wear all 3 of these all year round. And that's why I bought them, because they're not Halloween specific. Like, I have some Halloween, like very Halloween-y earrings that I can only wear on Halloween. But I figured these ones you can actually like not just wear on Halloween, and it's kind of cool. You can do like 1 and 1, or you can do the matching, whatever you want. It's just kind of really cool, and of course I get my discount there. Okay, also I was in Urban Planet, and this was a couple weeks ago now, and I needed wipes, and they had these guys. I didn't even know they had them there. These are from the brand LA Express. This one is shea butter, and this one is coconut. They're $3.99 each, except they were 2 for $5. So even for any wipes, I thought that was a great deal, because there's 25 in each. And usually for 25 wipes, even at Winners, usually I pay like $5 or $6 for one package. So I thought that was a really good deal. And then I was in Forever 21 at one point in time, and I picked this up. This is a strawberry sheet mask from After Day, which I don't know who they are. It was $1.90. I just thought, strawberry sheet mask, I don't think I've ever tried one before, so I'm really excited to try it. I actually wanted to try it already, but I really wanted to show you guys. Okay, this is the last stuff, and I am so over the moon about this. I was in my store the other day, and we were checking out this lady who I recognized, and I was like, where do I know her from? And then I realized she's the store manager at Torrid, which is also in our mall, and she was buying something at our store. And I said to her, oh, like, do you have any good sales going? Like, I need some new boots or whatever. And she said, oh, it's buy one, get one half, but check your email, because there's usually a code. And so I went into the store on my lunch break, and I hope she doesn't get in trouble for this. I don't think she will, because nobody knows what mall I work at. Anyways, I said to her, I don't have like an email from you. Like, I'm on the list, but I don't have an email with a code. She goes, don't worry, I have one. I have one, like I have a code that I could just use for you. I'm like, oh, thanks. She goes, it's for 40% off. I was like, oh, thank you. So she's just gonna like give me that code. And I was like, okay, that's awesome. So I did buy some boots. I won't show you guys those, but I couldn't believe it when I walked in there, and I should have known, because I think I've seen this before, but Torrid carries BH Cosmetics, and I did not realize that. And she came up to me at one point and she goes, you know what, actually the code's for 50% off, not 40. And I was like, what? So I got these at 50% off, you guys. I'm so excited. I have wanted this for so long, and it was sitting there when I walked in, and I literally walked in, I saw it, and I went, like, I was like, I couldn't believe it. And it's just as beautiful in person as it looks on Instagram. I'm definitely going to be doing some videos with this. I might do like a palette bingo. I might do just a regular get ready with me. I might combine them. I don't know, but look how beautiful this is. I might do, you know what I might do? Let me know if you like this idea, because did you know that the Zodiac calendar actually changed in the last couple of years. So if you were one sign, you may not actually be that sign anymore. And I was thinking of doing a 2 looks 1 palette with this, with my 2 different signs. So I used to be Scorpio, and now apparently I'm Libra. So yeah, they're actually, the colors are not that much different here, but maybe I could do a 2 looks 1 palette, one with Scorpio, one with Libra. But anyway, they are so beautiful. I haven't even swatched them yet. Okay, I have to swatch some for you because why else would you be here, right? Okay, these are very promising, these mattes. There's 4 mattes, of course 3 of them are purple. They look pretty decent just from the swatches. And then I'm gonna swatch Cancer because that looks super pretty. It's like this gold, steely, oh, look at that. Like a steel gold. And then I wanna swatch Sagittarius, this beautiful green color. I need to use that one. This might be like my winter palette that I never put away. Kind of like I didn't put away the BH Weekend Festival palette all summer. This one is Aries. I don't know why I'm swatching all blue. I normally don't like blue, but I did blue today. And then let's just do Taurus because it's a nice taupe. These baked shadows are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at those, guys. Like, so pretty. I'm so excited about this. I'm so like thankful and grateful that I was able to get it at such a deal. Okay, and then also they also had the Nouveau Neutrals, which I have been eyeing as well. I like this because it's eyeshadow and blush, which is really nice. It does come in this palette, which this packaging, I like that it's white and not black, but this here, like, they don't come open with your fingernails, or if they do, you'll break them. So that's the annoying thing about this packaging. But like, this is so pretty. Obviously very warm, like perfect fall colors. You have like nice blushes up there. Really excited to use this one too. Let me know, again, I'll probably do like a get ready with me or something. Let me know what type of get ready with me or tutorial you would like with any of these palettes. I'm just randomly swatching 4 colors. Yeah, very pretty. Like, that's so gorgeous for fall. That's like pumpkin spice all in one palette. So with all this new stuff, I have so many videos planned. Like I said, let me know anything you would like to see surrounding these. I'm so grateful that you spent some time with me today. I really enjoyed this. It's fun getting to get new things, and I really appreciate all the new things that I got. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you want to give this video a thumbs up because you liked it, that helps me out a lot. And definitely subscribe. I am really enjoying all the things that I'm doing on my channel, and a lot of that comes from my subscribers and all the, I don't know, everything that you contribute in the comments and on social media and that kind of stuff. So it's a really fun community. Thank you so much to all of you. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.